consider a right angle triangle with in radius 6 and circum radius 25 centimeter. So right angle triangle is given and its in radius is given as 6 centimeter. Let's just assume this side to be perpendicular sides are A and B, and this is hypotenuse, that is C. And circum radius, that is capital R, is given me as 25 centimeter. What is the area of right angled triangle? Now, area of triangle can be found in so many ways. First option is half base into height. If base and height are known, I can find the area. But here data is given in terms of in radius and circum radius, and in terms of in radius and circum radius, I know the area of triangle can be R into S, that is in radius into semi perimeter, or area can be A into B into C, that is product of all three sides divided by 4 times of circum radius. Now in this question sides are not given, A, B or C, these all three sides are unknown. Only data is given in terms of in radius and circum radius. But for a right angle triangle, there is one property involving all the sides and in radius, that is in radius for a right angle triangle is equal to A plus B minus C times divided by 2. Also for a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is equal to twice of circumradius, because the circle circumscribing this triangle has its center in the middle of hypotenuse. So C, because circumradius is 25, hypotenuse becomes 2 times of this radius, and which is 50 centimeter. So C becomes 50 from here. Now in radius is 6 centimeter. From here I can get the sum of these two sides. C is already known, 50 centimeter, and by knowing the sum of these two sides, I can find the semi perimeter of this triangle and use this formula to arrive at the answer. So A plus B from this relation becomes how much? 2 times R plus C, and in radius is 6 into 2 is 12 plus 50 is 62 centimeter is the sum of these two perpendicular sides. Now the semi perimeter of this triangle would be A plus B plus C by 2, and that is 62 plus 50, that is 112 divided by 2, and it is equal to 56 centimeter. So the area of this triangle will be in radius into semi perimeter, that is 6 into 56, which becomes 336. So correct answer to this question is 336 centimeter square. Next.